Good day everyone, this is Junito Esteriore, and today we're gonna learn another new exercise, and this is the Groin stretching. We will learn standing and seated Groin stretch exercise. And aside from that, we also learning about the advantage and the disadvantage about this exercise. So what are you waiting for? Just wait and relax.
Okay, so first we're gonna start with the standing Groin stretch exercise. Okay, so we have 6 steps to do this exercise. Number 1, you need to stand with your legs wide apart. Number 2, shift your weight to the left or to the right. Number 3, allow your left knee to bend until it is over your left foot. Number 4, keep your feet on the ground facing forward. Number 5, hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Number 6, repeat the stretch on the opposite side. Then repeat the stretch 3 times on each side. So that is for standing Groin stretch exercise. Okay, so the second one is we have the seated Groin stretch. So this simple stretch is sometimes called the butterfly stretch. Stretches the groin and inner thigh. Here's how to do it correctly. Number 1, get in a seated position. Number 2, bend your knees and bring the soles of feet together. Number 3, hold your feet with your hands and rest your elbows on your knees. Number 4, allows your knees to fall toward the ground while keeping your back straight, no slouching. You can apply gently pressure on the inner thigh by pressing gently on knees with the elbows. You should feel the gentle pulling and the tensions in groin. Do not bounce. Do not press down with great force. Number 5, hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. Release and repeat 3 times. Number 6, to increase the stretch, bring the feet closer in towards your groin. That's it. Thank you for watching. So what are the disadvantage and the advantage of stretching hamstring? So it seems that the people love to stretch their hamstrings, often to the point of overstretching, again allowing the pelvis to tilt forward. When this happens, demand on your hamstrings increases, making them feel sore and tight, and your risk of injury increases. Stretching the hamstring will help keep these muscles loose and flexible, which will improve posture, increase flexibility, and prevent lower back pain.